Okay guys, today we're here in the shop, and I got the Subaru here. I'm gonna get my stuff put together, and we're gonna clean this car up and see how bad the paint really is. Yesterday I got here a little early, was able to go get this taken care of. New Mexico plate. So I also have to take off this California plate right here, and then sun's in the back. So got some projects to do, and then we're gonna. This is all washed up. Put it up on the lift and start figuring out what a lot of the problems are. We're gonna have to start going over. Already know it has a bad coolant leak, which is impressive that it actually made it all the way across the country with no problems, considering it has had that. So let me go get some water, get some soap and stuff, and we're gonna clean this all up and start going through it. I brought my shampoo, or maybe we'll even do the interior today. Depends on how long this stuff all takes. So let's get going. Okay, so I've started the polishing process on the hood. I did the first two cuts with the Meguiar's 120 bottle, and this is what I got so far. It's cleaning out. It looked like the roof before was real dull up here, so this is still pretty rough. I still have to do the roof. Done the hood. I've done the first cut on the hood, and now I'm going to go over the whole car. I've done this side where I can take my clay. I've clayed the whole side of the car. Now it's real smooth. Real smooth in here. So you can hear it in there where it's rough. And now I'm going to pop the hood, the roof. I've started this fender, but you can feel how stiff it is. I understand that it's not going to be a show car. I'm just trying to assess the quality of the paint. So let me, I'm going to pop the trunk. We'll put it on some more slow-mo, and I'll start doing the passenger side of the car. But this hood is cleaned up real good. It has some reflection in it now instead of being so dull. So let's get after it. it going? So I started at 9 o'clock this morning. It's well, I started at 10 o'clock this morning. I started out cutting it with a pad like this. I went over a lot of this to figure out what would just cut this up, and we got it to shine again. But I started out with the Meguiar's what is it, 105 polish with this pad. Went over the whole entire thing and did that. Then I switched over to Rupes DA. Yeah, so this is what I did first, right here. And then I switched over to the Rupes cutting pad. I used the blue one with this here. Cut it again with compounding solution. And then I got the yellow pad from Rupes right here and did a fine polish with that. See? And now it's time for the windows. It's looking really good. It's looking really, really good. Quite snazzy. The windows need to be cleaned up, but it has a lot of its shine back. The roof took a lot of work. A lot of oxidation on the roof. A lot of oxidation on the roof and the hood. But I got them both to come back. And then now I'm going to take my, I have this here. This is what I use now for the windows. I get the glass claying. So I'm going to clay the windows. Then I'm going to get this over here. Go like this. Then I'll polish the glass with that. And then I'll seal it. And then the car should be done on the outside. And then we can put it up on the lift and check it out. But 6 hours it took to get this car, a lot of the oxidation off. It looking really good. Looks really good. It's looking really, really good. The paint up here is pretty bad on top of the door. The roof is looking good. We're probably other than some rust here and there. The roof came out really, really good. But the glass has a lot of, it's really rough and has a lot of crap on it. I have to, I'm going to clay the glass first, and then I'll come back and polish it, and then I'll seal it. So that way the glass is all good to go. And then I'll see if I have time today to work on the interior. But I love my cars to be super clean. The bumpers are still toast. I'm going to have to repaint the bumpers. They're toast. Completely toast. Rear bumper too. But also got, there it is, New Mexico plates. So now maybe when I drive around in New Mexico, they won't throw crap at me. But let's keep going. I'm going to finish cleaning this up, do the windows, and then we'll put it on the rack and see what mechanically it needs.